We strive to be the best for you with resources to help you be your best leader for tomorrow's leaders. So here are some go-to Google apps that you need to have on your phone. First of all, there's so many of them and they're so cool, but you need to be able to get them all together. So just press on any app so that they all get jiggly on your iPhone, and that way you can put them all in the same house so that they're all kind of living in there together. And I call it my Google go-tos, but everything from Docs to Sheets to Drive, all in one nice place. So easy. Our first app that we're going to look at that's cool to have on your phone, especially if you're moving through the building, is Google Hangouts. Why Google Hangouts? Because it's like an instant message. And if somebody needs to get you and you're in an area where they might not be able to text you as fast or need to get information to you, you can send them a quick message. Hey, I'm in the Commons. I'm in the cafeteria. I'm in the classroom. And this is just a cool, quick, and easy way to communicate with your staff on the go as you're moving throughout the building, because you're not always at your desk. Next are Docs and Sheets. Now, you won't do a lot of editing of Docs and Sheets while you're on the go, but it's great to know that they're there, they're handy, and actually if you press down on them, you can get your most recent documents. But this is a cool way to make quick notes or even use voice feature to make notes. Now, you also have access to apps like Chrome as well as Google Drive. So that means information is at your fingertips as you move about. So if you have things in folders and files that you need to look at or things that you want to track, it's right there. Finally, the big secret and probably the hidden gem of the Google app is Calendar. It is the hidden secret, and probably not such a secret. Most people might use the default calendar, but Google Calendar is cool because, again, you can color code it. What I like about it is the fact that I can integrate it not just with my work calendar, but also my personal calendar, so that important family things I can also keep track of and have time for. And again, it's all there in the app. And you know what? The coolest thing about all of these apps is that they are free and easy to use, and you should be using them just to help you step up your leadership game. Hey, if this was helpful to you, please consider subscribing. The year of Aping Dangerously. Again, we want to be your resource to help you be the best leader for tomorrow's leaders.